Hello everyone, I'm Julia. Welcome back to RUSCOPE. Today we are going to learn Russian numbers from 1 to 20. Numbers are used everywhere. For example, when you need to ask which bus to take, or ask for a price, or pay for the goods in a shop, or make appointments, and so on. So, learn these numbers well, so you can be ready for real life situations. Let's get started. First, Russian numbers 1 through 10. Один, not один. Один. Два. Два. Три. Три. Четыре, not четыре. Четыре. Пять. Пять. Шесть, not шесть. Шесть. Семь. Not семь, семь. Восемь, not восемь, восемь. Девять, not девять, девять. And десять, not десять, десять. Один, два, три, четыре, пять, шесть, семь, восемь, девять, десять. Let's move on, learn how to count to 20 in Russian. To form Russian numbers from 11 to 19, simply add the suffix natsat to one of the Russian numbers from 1 to 9. Not nadtsat, natsat. The combination of letters d, c is pronounced as one long sound ц, natsat. For example, один plus нацать, adinatsat, одиннадцать. Два are replaced with ye and natsat, двенадцать, двенадцать. Три plus нацать, тринадцать, тринадцать. Четыре drop the last letter ye and нацать, четырнадцать, четырнадцать. 5 drop the soft sign and нацать, пятнадцать, пятнадцать. 6 drop the soft sign and нацать, шестнадцать, шестнадцать. We don't pronounce the first letter T. 7 drop the soft sign and нацать, семнадцать. 8 drop the soft sign and нацать, восемнадцать. 9 drop the soft sign and нацать, дyevyat, девятнадцать. And pay attention to the stress. Only two numbers have an unstressed suffix. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and finally 20. 2 plus цять, 20. The suffix цять means 10. 20 is like 2 tenths. That's all for now. To remember these numbers faster, try to use them as much as possible in your daily life, even if it's just in your head. See you!